Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name is Dean Ashton, and today we're on board our 2022 Galeon 400 Fly. Here on the swim platform, you see you've got the real teak. You have an electric grill here, freshwater sink, and some storage compartment. Here in the cockpit, we have a really versatile entertaining space. You have an L-shaped seating configuration in the silver and white color scheme. You also have a multi-position table that you can adjust, in addition to an adjustable backrest for your interior seating and a tri-fold door that really opens up the two spaces and combines them. Another standout feature of the 400 Fly is what Galeon calls beach mode, and on each the port and starboard side, this entire panel is going to fold down to maximize the beam of the boat. As you enter the salon, you have easy access to your distribution panel here on the port side, all of your lighting switches and your AC controls. You have a pop-up TV, nice wraparound seating around your dinette table, and opposing facing seating, again carrying that theme of entertaining throughout the boat. You're gonna have 360-degree views, a lot of natural light in the boat. Your galley's up and forward. You have your freshwater sink there, dual burner stove, and a microwave. Here at the helm, you have a nice double wide helm seat, dual Raymarine 16-inch screens, your Volvo Penta display, your autopilot, and this boat is equipped with a bow thruster. You're going to have your trim tabs here on the right-hand side, and another great feature about the 400 Fly is the sliding glass door here at the helm. Easy access to the side of the boat as well as communication with other boaters. Here we are in the master stateroom. What's unique about the 400 Fly, which is unusual on a 40-foot boat, you have a full beam master. You have two nice big windows, both port and starboard side, for a lot of natural light in the master suite. You have plenty of storage in the boat with a closet here on the starboard side, a nice makeup counter, and a flat screen TV mounted on the bulkhead. The master stateroom does have a private head. It does have a bifold door, so it keeps the toilet area dry and separate from the shower. Here we are up in the forward berth, or VIP berth. Nice unique thing about this space is it has a split bunk, so you could use it as two individual berths or push them together and create one larger sleeping space there. VIP area does have a head compartment as well, so this is a two stateroom, two head layout. And the VIP head does have a separate shower and head compartment with a bifold door that separates the two spaces. And the interior color scheme of this boat, we have the gray beechwood matte interior with the white cushion package. Here we are on the bridge, and at the upper helm station, it's a similar duplication to what we saw down below. You have a 16-inch Raymarine screen. You have your autopilot and your Volvo controls and control with your bow thruster. You have a ton of seating up on the bridge, a nice wraparound seat that takes up the entire space, seating for plenty of friends up top, and a nice big folding table, double wide helm seat, and you have a big bimini top for shade that can fold back if you wanted full sun. Here we are up on the bow of the boat. You have two nice full-length loungers on each side, and you also have an optional backrest that'll flip up, and that will stow as well. Really easy access up to the bow of the boat with really wide walkways on either side of the boat. Thanks for watching the quick walkthrough of the Galeon 400 Fly. My name's Dean Ashton. If you'd like to see this boat in person here in Wrightsville Beach, give us a call at 910-256-8100.